right, go ahead and clear your work area except for a clean sheet of paper, a pencil, and a calculator. You want to check and make sure your calculator's in degree mode before we get started. You may want to clear out old memories just to make sure there are no memories there. Kind of like after you break up. Just kidding. Anyway, they don't clear as easily as they do on the calculator. All right, so anyway, calculators are ready to go. Pencil, make sure you have enough lead. Make sure you have a decent eraser in case you're one of those who makes mistakes. Obviously, if you're working a problem and realize as you're going through it, oh, that I'm doing it all wrong, don't take time to erase. Put a big X over it. Do it on the blank paper. Okay, so
Getting a decent eraser.
getting a decent eraser. That's a very good eraser,
Yes.
I think. White plastic erasers are good ones. It's true.
High polymer.
It's true. High density polymer erasers are excellent. Prefer the Staedtler brand by Mars. This is excellent. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and pray, and I will hand out the test. Lord, I thank you so much for these seniors. Lord, I pray that you would help them now as they take this test to remember the things and the processes that they've learned. Lord, help them to think carefully, to work carefully and accurately through each problem, Lord, that this would be their very best work and a good reflection of how well they understand the physics that I've taught them over the last couple of chapters. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, when you get your test, put your first and last name in the name spot. Today's date in the date spot. Today is 10/26/22. 10/26/22. 10/26/22. Today's date. All right, let's take a look at the test together. Page 1 is all completion. Write the word or words needed in the blank. So write the word or words that would best complete each statement. Page 2, modify true, false. Look at the italicized portion. If it makes the statement true, write true. If it does not make the statement true, write false. Well, don't write false. Write what would make the statement true. If it does not make the statement true, correct it. So correct the italicized portion. 21 and 22 got a couple short answer questions there. So write those answers in the space provided. 23 through 25 got some very basic problems, very easy problems for you there. 23, 24, and 25 do still show the work. I think there's enough room to work. There was for me when I did it. If you need to use the blank paper, that's fine. I realize that's not a ton of space. And then page 3, you've got 5 more problems, not quite as basic, a little bit more involved here. Notice that 29 builds on 28. So don't lose things, for instance, from memories in 28. You're going to use those in 29. So those two problems are connected. Again, show your work. There should be enough room for you to do the work right there, but if you need a little bit more space, want to do it on blank paper, no problem. Just make sure you label it on the blank paper. Any questions before we begin? All right, you may get started. You have 45 minutes to complete this test.